The question of the day is, find the value of x such that x raised to the power x raised to the power 20 is equals to right hand side. Pause the video if you want to give this question a try and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us get started with the solution. So the first thing that we are going to do is, we are going to raise the power of both the sides by 20. So the left hand side will now become x raised to the power x raised to the power 20, and the power has been raised by 20 is equals to right hand side to the power of 20, and hence on the left hand side we can simply rearrange these powers. We can write it as x raised to the power 20, because this can be written as x raised to the power this expression into 20. So these two places can be interchanged. So this will be x raised to the power 20 raised to the power x raised to the power 20, and this will be given by 2 raised to the power 1 by under root of 2 into 20. Now moving further, the left hand side is of the form a raised to the power a, and if we can write the right hand side in the terms of a raised to the power a, then our question will become much more easier. So this will be root 2 raised to the power 20 into under root of 2, which has to be written in the terms of a raised to the power a. Now the best thing about this number is that 20 can now be written as 5 into 4. So this is root 2 raised to the power 5 into 4 root 2. Now let us call this quantity equals to b. So now as far as b is concerned, b quantity is nothing but 4 into under root of 2. Now 4 is 2 into 2 into under root of 2. Now this is root 2 raised to the power of 5, and hence now we are getting closer to our solution. So that is a raised to the power a is equals to root 2 raised to the power 5 into b in the power, and b is equals to root 2 raised to the power 5, and hence we can say that a when put to be equals to root 2 raised to the power 5 will give a raised to the power a is equals to the right hand side. Okay, and hence a is given by x raised to the power 20, that is 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2. So that will simply give us that x is equals to 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 20, and hence we will get that x is equals to 2 raised to the power 1 by 8, and that is the answer to our question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.